Ammon was 15, tall for his age, with earphones always in his ears and anger always ready on his tongue. At home, every conversation turned into an argument. "Why are you always late?" his father asked. "Why do you care?" Ammon snapped back. His parents didn't recognize the boy he had become. He skipped family dinners, locked his room, and rolled his eyes whenever rules were mentioned. Teachers complained. Relatives whispered. His parents felt embarrassed, angry, and helpless. They tried stricter rules. They tried shouting. They tried punishment. Nothing worked. One evening, Ammon came home past midnight. His father was waiting, furious. "Do you want to ruin your life?" he yelled. Ammon didn't reply. He just said softly, "You already decided I'm ruined." That sentence stayed in the air. That night, his mother sat outside Ammon's room. Not to scold, just to sit. After a long silence, she said, "I don't know how to reach you anymore." For the first time, Ammon opened the door. He didn't speak immediately. Then words poured out. About feeling compared to others. About never being good enough. About being treated like a problem, not a person. His rebellion wasn't about disrespect. It was about pain. The next weeks were slow and awkward. His parents learned to listen more than lecture. Ammon learned that rules were not cages, but care. He didn't change overnight, but the walls slowly came down. Rebellion faded when understanding entered. Lesson: rebellious behavior is often a cry for respect and connection, not defiance.